What is the Maillard reaction? This is a chemical reaction that occurs between amino acids and reducing sugars in the presence of heat that results in the browning of food while forming new aromas and flavors that we have all come to love. This reaction is named after the French chemist Louis-Camille Maillard, who first described it in the year 1912. The Maillard reaction gives foods a more appealing smell and flavor, and it gives a signal to us that the food is both nutritious and safe to eat. This reaction works best at higher temperatures to form a very good crust, around 140 to 180 Celsius, with minimal moisture. Here there are two pieces of steak. The one on the right is dry brine, meaning that it has had a chance to sit in the fridge covered with salt, and the salt has had a chance to draw moisture out of it, and it looks slightly drier and smaller due to the moisture being pulled out, resulting in a drier surface. As you can see, it has developed a browner, thicker crust, which is one of the few effects of the Maillard reaction. This shows that at a high temperature, a lower moisture content is optimal for most browning to occur. The Maillard reaction can also occur at lower temperatures, but it requires a lot more time and moisture. Comparing steak being seared quickly to meat being braised in a liquid at low temperatures for a long period of time, both experience the Maillard reaction, but the seared steak will develop a brown crust around it, while the braised meat develops a deep brown stalk, which is also a product of the Maillard reaction. This reaction is a reaction between amino acids, the building blocks of protein, and as said before, reducing sugars, which essentially attract amino acids at specific temperature and pressures. The reason it will not work with complex sugars such as starches and table sugars is because the molecules are too large to react. The factors that affect this reaction are temperature, moisture, and time. The aroma created by this reaction is caused by molecules called butarytes. Although this reaction requires a higher temperature, anything above 180 degrees Celsius will result in pyrolysis, which we all know as burning. As has been previously stated, at a lower temperature, the Maillard reaction will occur with more moisture and time. This reaction is one that a lot of us experience on a daily basis, whether it be for toasting bread, toasting coffee beans, or grilling things. This is something that a lot of us have or will experience in our lifetime.